Gotta catch them all, gotta catch them all, Pokemon. Gotta catch them all, gotta catch them all, Pokemon. Let's hope we have another Pokemon game soon. And this is my YouTube video, and I am back again. So, let's see here. We hope to have... I hope there's another Pokemon game soon, because I can't wait. I want more Pokemon. And I want to train more, and I want to battle more. And I'm so excited that I listen to a Pokemon theme song every night. So, I love Pokemon games. I've collected them all over the years. So, I'm a big fan. So, I just keep it up, and there'll be another video soon. So keep catching all those Pokemon. Woohoo! Sarah Tess. Later all.